For those of you who have never lived in an RV, you don't understand what this means right here. Look at this. See that? I can step straight out onto something that is level with the floor in there. So this is what I did today. I made my deck porch thing, and I made it to where the slide can still go in. I also made the whole thing to where it can be taken apart and moved later if it needs to be moved. But happy 4th of July. This is what I spent all day on. Now, I'm probably about to go swim with some friends. See you later.